Hey, welcome back, guys. So today we are talking about PayPal, and more specifically, we are talking about the add cash or add funds at a Walmart location. What are the daily limits and what are the monthly limits for that? So let's go ahead and get this started. So first off, if you don't have PayPal already, be sure to click the description below. I'll try to leave a referral link there, or you can simply go to the App Store or Google Play and just type in PayPal, PayPal. And if you're not familiar with PayPal, just a real light overview on what it is. It's basically an online payment system. So if you need to pay for something on the internet like eBay, you can just use PayPal, and you can also send money to friends and family through PayPal. So it's one of the oldest online payment companies. I'm not sure exactly how old it is. I think it's around 15 or 20 years. If you happen to know, be sure to leave us a comment below, let the rest of us know. So what are the limits on adding cash at a store to your PayPal account? So PayPal rolled out this feature I think about a year ago, where you can take green physical cash into a location like Walmart and then give it to the register at customer service, and then they will add that money onto your PayPal account. So that way, if you need to pay for something online, so it's kind of a convenient feature, kind of neat. So they do have daily limits and monthly limits. So first off, we're going to actually talk about three different limits they have. The first limit is a transaction limit. So if you're going to be adding cash onto your PayPal account at a Walmart, the daily transaction limit is between $20 and $500. So that means that the minimum that you can add onto your PayPal account is going to be $20, and the maximum is going to be $500. And that's a transaction limit as well. So if you wanted to add $10, it will not work. It needs to be at least $20. Also, if you want to add $600, it will not work because the maximum transaction is $500. Now, the daily limit is $1,500. So if you're going to add something like, let's say, $1,000, then you will need to perform two separate transactions to add that money into your PayPal. Now, keep in mind that each transaction does charge a fee. So for example, Walmart is $3 per transaction, and these other stores are $3.95. So if you're going to be sending $1,000 in cash to your PayPal, you're going to get two of those fees. And again, the maximum daily limit for adding cash into your PayPal is $1,500. So that's a maximum of three separate transactions of $500. And lastly, the monthly limit for adding cash into your PayPal at a Walmart is going to be $5,000. So $5,000 is the maximum monthly limit to adding cash into your PayPal. I'm not sure exactly why you would be adding that much money into your PayPal, but if you have an example, be sure to leave us a comment below. So going off of the daily limit of $1,500, that means that if you want to add $5,000 cash into your PayPal, it's going to take you at least 4 days to do that. So again, $1,500 per day times 3 days is $4,500, and then the last $500 you would have to submit. And all of those transactions do get charged a fee, so just kind of keep that in mind, because again, if you're adding $5,000, that means that's going to be 10 separate transactions, which is going to equate to $30 in transaction fees just to add cash onto your PayPal at Walmart. So that can add up pretty quickly, but it is a convenient service that you might want to check out if you need to get the money onto your PayPal quickly. So there you have it. That is the transaction limit, daily limit, and monthly limit for adding cash onto your PayPal at Walmart. Hopefully you found the video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.